Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change your email address on Bungie.net. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, make sure that you have opened the website and you are logged into your account. Just like this, I'm logged into my account, and from here simply click on your profile icon right here and then click on settings. So after doing that, on the left side, if you scroll down here, you'll get the option of email and SMS. Click on it, and then here you can see this is your current email address. So in here, all you have to do is simply click on this email and simply change it to another email that you want to change. So just like this, here you can see I have wrote down the email address. So all you have to do is simply click on Save Settings. And just like this, here you can see now the settings have been changed. And now what you're going to do is simply verify your email. So you have to open the inbox of this specific email address. So I'm going to do just that. Just like this, here you can see this is my mailbox and Bungie has sent me the verification link. So click on it, and after clicking on it, here you can see you'll get a verify email address option. All you have to do is click on it. And after doing that, here you can see we have now successfully verified our email address. And just like this, we have also changed the email address on Bungie.net. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.